Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Airtable, full guide step by step clearly. To begin investing with Airtable, create an account on the Airtable website. Once your account is set up, log into the platform. Navigate to the templates section to find a suitable investment tracker. Choose a template that fits your investment needs, such as a portfolio tracker. Click on the selected template to open it in your workspace. Familiarize yourself with the different columns and fields provided in the template. Customize the fields to reflect your unique investment criteria, like asset type, purchase date, and amount. To add new investments, click on the Add Record button typically located at the bottom of your table. Enter the details for each investment in the corresponding fields. Use the calendar view to keep track of important investment dates, such as when to sell or assess performance. Incorporate formulas to calculate returns or percentages directly within your table. Utilize the filter options to view specific types of investments or performance metrics. If you're managing multiple portfolios, consider duplicating your base and customizing for each one. Adapt your layout by using visualizations like charts or graphs to track performance trends. Collaborate with other users by sharing your Airtable base, allowing for real-time updates and feedback. Regularly update your investment records to ensure accurate tracking. Set reminders using Airtable's automation features to prompt you to review or adjust your investments. Explore integrations with other financial tools or apps for a more comprehensive investment strategy. Regularly analyze your data to inform future investment decisions and strategies. With these steps, you are well on your way to effectively managing your investments using Airtable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.